creating your own virtual avatar with AI technology. In today's video, we will show you how to use AI technology to create your very own virtual avatar. First, you'll need to find a platform that offers AI avatar creation services. These platforms use advanced algorithms to analyze your facial features and recreate them in a virtual avatar. Next, you'll need to upload a photo of yourself to the platform. Make sure the photo is clear and shows your face from the front. Once you upload your photo, the AI algorithm will get to work creating your virtual avatar. It will analyze your facial features, skin tone, hair color, and more to create a realistic representation of you in virtual form. After the avatar is created, you can customize it further by choosing different hairstyles, outfits, and accessories to make it truly unique to you.
Hello, welcome to my channel. Hello, welcome to my channel.
Once you're happy with your virtual avatar, you can use it in virtual reality experiences, social media profiles, or even as a character in video games. With AI technology, creating your own virtual avatar has never been easier. So why not give it a try and see yourself come to life in the digital world? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.